Guys, how are you? I know it's been a while that I've been here in front of the camera. Usually I've been doing my vlogs like in a silent mode, but I'm here and excited to be working on some of the new products that I'm gonna have soon on my shop release. Have tons of cute clay rings that I'm working on, and I'm gonna finish some notepads and just finish putting my washi tape on the website so I can be ready for the shop update. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna continue working on these clay rings. So right here I'm using a old chocolate container, and I fill it with water, and what I do is just put a piece of sandpaper in there, and that's gonna cut all the sand dust being breathed on the sand. Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna try to print some of the covers for my sticker albums. I'm gonna redo them. I know that I did that a couple vlogs ago, but I wasn't happy with the finishing product. That's why I didn't put them on the store. But I got a new binding machine, so I'm gonna use that and see how they look. They're gonna be reusable sticker album, so that you can collect your stickers over there. So I'm gonna print them right now. I changed the background color, and I just finished yesterday my clay rings. I had to take pictures and measure them so I can put them on the shop for the shop update. So guys, this is it for now. I'm gonna continue working with all the rest of the stuff that I need to do, like upload everything into the website and take the pictures. I don't want to bore you with that, so I'm gonna try to finish this sticker sheet by tonight so that it can be ready tomorrow, and I can put it on the website also for the shop update on Friday. So don't forget, everything is gonna be on my Shopify store. It's actually my website, Tiny Ladybug's Designs, and you can follow me also on my Instagram with the same name, Tiny Ladybugs Design. You will find all the updates, and it can actually guide you to the links that you need to. So guys, this is it for today. Don't forget to check my website for the shop update on Friday. I'm uploading the video on Thursday, so you're gonna be able to check a little bit of what I'm bringing to the shop update, and everything is gonna be ready on my website on Friday around 9 in the morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. I hope that you like the video, and bye bye.